The Swire Shipping Fijian Drua 52 points to 15 loss to the Western Force in round 6 of the Super Rugby Pacific Championship is one of their worst defeats in the history of the game. The Force dominated the Drua in all aspects of the game and scoring 8 tries to 3 in one-sided affair match that coach Glenn Jackson labelled as a holiday trip for his players. More below with the reaction from the Drua and Force camps.
From the word go, it was evident that the Fijian Drua was struggling to find their form against the Force outfit that welcomes most of their Wallabies back in action. Just 2 minutes into the game, the Force revealing their plans for this game, with the forwards providing the best platform to attack. Drua coach Glenn Jackson was disappointed with the result, knowing how they have prepared for this game.
Very frustrating. We've been here for 8 days, and it's obviously the boys had more of a holiday than prepare for rugby. Look, we've tried to change things up coming here. We know last time we came here was a similar result, so whatever we're doing is not working. But it's just disappointing. I think that the effort that we put in isn't up to where we wanted it to be as a club and as a team, and that's obviously something we'll look at through the bye week and then heading back for a pretty tough last bit of our campaign.
While the message to the team was clear before the game, the players failed to execute what was required.
The same message before the game, really. We just got beaten up as a forward pack, didn't get any go forward in the back line, so when you're doing that, we knew the Force were going to come really hard at the breakdown. They did, they had legs everywhere, but when you're losing collisions, you're not going to get the pitches that you probably want as a club, as a team, and as our nines were under a lot of pressure. So it's it was fair play to the Force. We knew exactly what they were going to do, and we just handed it to them.
The Drua could not contain the Force onslaught from the opening whistle. For the Force, the win on the back of a powerful forwards display jumped the side 2 places into 6th spot on the ladder, and coach Simon Cron was pleased with the improved defensive effort as well as the retaining the ability to score.
I think the critical one for us is both sides of the ball this week, in comparison to probably the last couple of weeks. We've been able to score points, and I think the key thing this week is we had more people on their feet, better width in our defence, and we stayed more connected, so that was really pleasing. In terms of the milestones for the Force, that goes to the boys, not me.
The Fijian Drua will be on by this weekend. Mwapembilo, Fiji One News.